I got my Lev Haolam box and I'm going to open it with you. Hi everybody, this is Elizabeth with Live Simple, Live Free. And this is Lev Haolam box is a subscription service from Israel, from the heart of Israel and Judea and Samaria, and from farmers and beekeepers and artisans and all sorts of different people that have these businesses going there. And it feels really good to not only get this wonderful quality, all these things from them, but to support them. And Lev Haolam means heart of the world. So I want to go ahead and open this with you guys. I always enjoy getting to share that with you. Sorry I can't have Carly, my granddaughter, with me this time. It's always really fun when she does it with me. Okay, here we go. This is a little bit of a smaller box and it's heavier. So I'm very curious about what's in here. They always smell good. All right. There's usually a theme, and it's always interesting to see what the theme will be for this month. They package them very well. Here we are. Okay, now this is called the Pantry Sense of Israeli Cuisine. Move this over so you can kind of see things a little bit better. They always have everything look so pretty. The boxes all follow the theme and they're beautiful boxes, and so it's always really nice. Cooking in the Heartland. Oh, this is another volume where people have put together recipes and sharing them with us. Oh, cool. Coconut date balls, banana and date popsicles. And these are all, the people there that are just sharing their recipes. I think that's really cool. So, Cooking in the Heartland. And this is volume 2. Oh, volume 4. Wow. Oh, that's cool. It's like a whole series of cookbooks. That's neat. Okay. Now. Oh, these salts. I've got some salt here. They come in a grinder. And I've gotten several of these over the time, and they're wonderful. This is, I'm sure, it's Dead Sea salt, and this one has garlic and rosemary in it. And the company, let's see here, this is free of chemicals and additives. And I can look in the little booklet to see what the company is, but they call 424 below sea level. Natural salt from the Dead Sea. It's wonderful salt. I'm sure it's got good minerals in it, and then they've added garlic and rosemary. Oh, pistachio coated cashew nuts. That's interesting. It's a cashew nut that's coated in pistachio. Roasted with love in Ariel, the capital city of Samaria. It's got a nice coating on it. Huh, that's really cool. Ooh, natural Mediterranean skincare, Celeria. It's a nourishing and calming gel. It assists in soothing and skin relaxation. It's a silicone-free agent that's a booster for better therapy results. There's natural Mediterranean macroalgae. Cool. It's a natural moisturizer and a powerful delivery agent that boosts the efficiency of treatments. Very nice. Let's see here. As usual, the boxes are just so pretty. Well, here we go. A nourishing and calming gel. Yeah, it comes out just as a very nice gel. Very mild scent. I'm always glad when I can find something on my skin that's just not irritating and very, healing. Just because it gets so raw sometimes, and that stuff feels pretty good. Face cleansing gel, stimulating, gentle cleansing formula from plant originating ingredients, enriched with organic aloe vera and jojoba. So it's just a cleansing gel. All of those ingredients and everything are always like organic and very natural. I see if I can get it to come out the bottom. There we go. Oh, that's going to be nice. Little face washing stuff. Okay, dates, walnuts, and whole sesame bars. 100% natural ingredients, fruit and nut snacks. Oh, this looks really good, very healthy. Tivit products from Nature Limited in Ashkelon, Israel. Oh, wonderful. Spice mix for omelets and pies. Ooh. Oh, I bet this, I'm going to have to see how this smells. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that smells so good. It says to soak it in a quarter cup of boiling water for 5 minutes when you're going to use it. Wow. It smells good. And wonderful extra virgin olive oil. Yep. It's always very good quality olive oil. Nice. Then they always give us the little book that just tells kind of what's going on in Israel and tells a little bit more about the people that are producing these products. And we got a whole cookbook this time. And then a lot of times in here they talk about the different people that are coming up with the products. And they'll have recipes in here. And then, like I said, I got an entire cookbook this time. But yeah, these are always Gush Etzion Spring. Oh, that's neat. So this tells me a little bit more about all the different people that are producing these things. So, all right. Well, I'm always very glad to share this box opening with you, unboxing. And I really appreciate how hard they work and how much they work so hard to produce really nice things to be able to put in these subscription boxes. So it's called Lev Haolam, very easy to find online, and I'll put a link in the description below. So, all right, that was fun. Listen, I love you guys. Be blessed, live simple, live free, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.